how do we create bar chart with vertical line for average? So this is the categories and this is the sales in a certain period, and this is the average of these sales, total sales, and here we just calculate this who are the categories exceeded the average of the total sales. And now we draw a vertical line here to show that those are the categories exceeded the average of the total sales. So how do we create this? Let's take this data in a new sheet. Here I just take a random number, and this is the average of this cells, and here we use a calculation. Just we show how we calculate it. If this value exceeds average, then the cells, otherwise NA. Okay, so two categories exceeded the average sales. Now we take the categories, sales, and higher than the average, go to the insert, take to the bar chart. Now we format the bar. So here our categories and here categories are not in the right order, so we just need to make in the proper order. Format axis and select categories in the reverse order. Now furniture clothes in the right order, and change the color of the bar. So this is the cells. So we go to the format, take this gray as the actual sales, and the bar for the higher than average we take go to the shape fill and take this aqua color. Now we right click on the bar, go to the format data series, take series overlap as 100% and take gap width as 30%. Now we do not remove these grid lines. Now we add the data labels, go to the chart elements and add the data labels, and we add data labels only for the cells. I do not need, because this is the overlapping, we just remove it, select this, go to the chart elements and take the data labels. Now we take data labels only for these cells. Now we just place these data labels in the inside base and make it white color, bold. So our first part of the chart is ready. Now we add the average line in this graph. So right click, select data, add. For the new series, take series name as average and series value, this average value. Now we have already data in the primary axis. We place this average data in the secondary axis. Go to the change series chart type and take this average as the secondary axis. We need to fix this axis value in the both axis. So our highest maximum value is 8000. We need to make it 8000 for the secondary axis. So our chart is ready, but we need a vertical line here. So how could we draw this? Select this secondary data, average data, go to the chart element and take as trend line. So this is actually as linear trend line. Now we remove, we need only the vertical line, we don't need this bar. Select this bar, go to the format and take shape fill as no fill. Now here we see a trend line here. Now go again, right click, format the trend line. So here we need trend line, this line we need to the whole bar area. So here we need to make forward as 10. So here our line as equal as our all bar. Now again right click on the trend line, format trend line, go to the shape. So we just take color as this orange and take dash type as solid line and take width as 1.5. Now we just remove the axis value because we have the data label. and also the legends. Now we want to show that this is average and what is the average value. So here we just calculate, take in a box, go to the insert, take a rectangular box here, select the box and select this data label. Just format it, go to the format, take shape outline as no outline and shape fill as no fill, and take this color as orange. So here actually we link this value here. How do we create this data label here? We just create a simple formula here, just create it here again. So I take average and make text this value and take number format as so here actually we make the data label here to link this here. Now when you change your data, we take a random value. When you save or change anything, then it change automatically. So here this is the average line and this is the actual cells, and those categories exceeded the average line. This makes in different color. Now we change the chart title as cells categories, or make it a sales comparison. Categories. So this is our bar chart with vertical line for the average. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.